is called the Playground Pollinator Walk. We asked the city if we could add floral resources to Lone Lake Park to help the rusty patch bumblebee and other native bees and pollinators. This project is based on a combined effort between the City of Minnetonka and the Friends of Minnetonka Parks. The rusty patch bumblebee is Minnesota's state bee, but more important than that is on the federally endangered species list. Now, Lone Lake Park has historically had rusty patch bumblebees, which is wonderful because their territory has shrunk dramatically over the past 20 years or so. We were able to contract with a company called Urban Ecosystems to put in 1,200 plants into this garden space. And they are all installed now, and we'll be keeping it watered and hopefully keeping the deer away from it so that it can be healthy going into the winter. The Friends of Minnetonka Parks and the subgroup Friends of Lone Lake Park will be maintaining this garden to keep it weed-free, to make sure that things are doing well. And this should be really pretty next summer. We really want to get kids and families in. That's why we positioned it next to the playground. It's got a meandering path through it so that we can get people right into the garden and up close to observe butterflies and bees and other pollinators. Also, this garden was designed so that it would bloom right from earliest bloom time all the way through the summer and into the fall. And that serves a variety of pollinators at different times in their own life cycles and also when they are most actively foraging. So we hope that this is really going to be a nutritious patch for them. This garden is completely native plants. It's a mixture of some grasses and some flowering plants, all native to Minnesota. And we think of it also as a sort of model garden. If you're wondering what to do with your grass and you want to reduce that in your yard, you could come to this and look at the drawing. We'll have a link to the drawing of it so you can get the plant list and you could try some of these same plants in your own yard. We hope that maybe it's a demonstration garden that could be modeled in another park. If there's room, little spots here and there could also be planted like this. We are really thankful that we get to have this collaborative process going on with the city to do this project and to do other restoration projects. This is a different way of thinking about parks. It's not just the trees and the grass and the paths. It can also be these interactive spaces where people can learn and enjoy all of these things we have.